Welcome to a 3-minute cardistry tutorial. This is a series we're starting based upon our 60-second tutorial series, but we can have moves that are a little longer and go a little more in depth. So today we have a pretty basic combo for you. You can start off by rolling a packet off of the deck into your other hand. So you can use your thumb for that and support it with your index. Then you're going to start a charliere cut in your main hand. Continue that roll into your other hand, and your thumb is going to grip the packet at the top, and your index will be applying some pressure on the inside there. In the charliere hand, you're going to extend with your index upwards and push that packet upwards. Make sure to have your pinky at the bottom for support, and then for this combo, you're going to maintain a hold with your thumb at the top of the packet so you can hold that in place. With the other hand, you're going to be extending your index, which should flip the packet into the deck. So for example here, as I roll this packet over, that top card is being stripped off by my middle and my index finger. So this is just a demonstration. It will actually be just flicking the packet itself over into the deck, but in slow motion what's happening is I'm stripping off that top card. So once you get that down, it should look a little something like this. And you'll maintain that top card between your index and middle finger. You can then use your thumb to flip that packet, or that card rather, over your index. Hold it like so. Then you're going to reverse the motions of the charliere in your other hand. So I'm pulling down with my pinky. That sort of opens up the deck, and then my index comes up and brings that packet that your thumb was holding to the bottom. Make sure to keep your thumb in the center there because you're going to strip out that card, and then you can push it over on top of the deck. Then you're going to push that card into an interesting grip with your fingers. So you're going to have your ring on the bottom and then your middle and pinky on top, and you should be able to grip that card completely like so. Then with that pressure, you're going to release with your pinky and sort of spin that card around. You can use your thumb for support if you want, and that'll finish off the main hand. Then in your other hand, you're going to perform a flicker. This is a move by the verts. That card is going to be gripped between your index and your middle. Twist those two fingers around each other at the same time that you twist your wrist towards yourself. And you're going to reverse those motions, so untwist your fingers, and you can rotate your wrist away from your body and grip it between your thumb. Then you're going to perform an angel move. So this is kind of difficult to get down, but essentially you want to flatten your thumb as much as you can and apply pressure with your index or middle, whatever you choose, on the bottom of the card. Just give this a lot of practice. It takes some time, but once you get it down, you can just stick that card to your thumb and place it back onto the deck.